Every developer knows the nightmare. Fragmented workflows, inconsistent data, and deployment chaos, all while churn silently eats away at your user base. The building churn prediction model skill solves this with feature engineering pipelines for structured data, automated ML training with XGBoost and LightGBM, REST API deployment via Fast API, and SHAP value interpretation for explainable AI, plus scalable data pipelines using Apache Beam. Whether you're a data engineer wrestling with ETL, an ML engineer fine-tuning models, or a full-stack dev integrating APIs, this skill cuts through the noise. No PhD and frustration required anymore. Let's predict churn, not headaches. Here's what's inside the building churn prediction model skill. It starts with feature engineering pipelines that automate data cleaning, normalization, and categorical encoding. Then automated ML training with AutoML and hyperparameter tuning via Optuna. Next, model deployment as containerized fast API services with Swagger docs. Real-world case studies from telco and SaaS industries show performance in action. Benchmarks include AUC ROC scores, inference latency metrics, and cost efficiency comparisons. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. Think Jupyter notebooks with ML flow tracking and Docker files for deployment. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. End-to-end churn prediction, simplified. Installing the building churn prediction model skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-churn-prediction-model. That's it. You get the complete skill, expert level guidance, production grade code templates, and pre-configured notebooks. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows feature engineering patterns, model optimization tricks, and API integration workflows. No coffee breaks needed. It's faster than your last CI/CD pipeline. Transform churn from existential threat to strategic opportunity in minutes, not months.